My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the browser hijacker called Easy Search Tool. This browser hijacker attacks Mozilla Firefox browser. It doesn't attack Google Chrome browser though. The hijacker may affect both Windows and Mac computers, and the website that is related to it is easysearchtool.com. The problem with this extension or add-on is that it is spread through integration with some free applications. So in many cases the extension is installed without the customer's permission. This is why Easy Search Tool add-on is fairly considered to be the potentially unwanted program that should be immediately deleted from your system. Now, how to get rid of this easysearchtool.com? Well, after it gets installed, the extension may change your default search engine to bing.com. To remove it, you need to access the menu of your Firefox browser, then click on Add-ons and Themes. Look for any suspicious extensions, including this Easy Search Tool, and if you find it, simply disable the extension, and you may click on this button and remove the extension completely. After that is successfully accomplished, I also recommend you to research your system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start carefully researching your device with its help in order to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly be hidden on your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you very well in this matter. Sometimes the adware or malware may be concealed in the system, so you cannot visually determine or establish it. Combo Cleaner is what you need to get your system fully fixed and repaired. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.